Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find the security. Now let's scroll down and tap on more security settings, and as you can see here we've got encryption and credentials. Let's enter. At the very bottom of the list we've got, almost at the very bottom, because here we've got also this option which is inactive, we've got the option we're looking for, so clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. As you can see we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What is more, we cannot tap on this option again, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.